I travel all over the place. Alright, yo, drop that shit, drop it. Aloha, bon voyage. Man, I be out in Europe and my next stop Prague. I be everywhere, tellin' where you going with your swell ass. To Northern Ireland, Chitty could ring bells fast. Couldn't picture my life ever being turtle. Had a show in Wilmington, but we flew out of Myrtle. Yeah, and this is my style. Numbers that I down, know that time is limited. I got a lot of sky miles. Hey, from where it's made to get worse. I was working double shifts like an agency nurse. And maybe at first, eggs disguised overdone. Then I hit the slope on them, now my ride's overrun. If I spit that dope on them, then my mind is a gun. And I'm waiting to blow, this is what you should know. If you ain't get the picture, understand that there's more to me. Got me throwing my arms around Paris shit, Morrissey. Different cities for these different days. It's a days lately I've been smoking on some different haze. Employers hate the day when you find something different pays. Remember rapping, my parents would tell me it's a phase. Yeah, well I'm sorry it's not. I'm calling the shots, I gotta give it all that I got. Yeah, knowledge is power, I can't wait to see my mind climb. And so does she can't wait to give me Einstein. But she can't call it a quickie. Peanut butter love, I be gone in a jiffy. Yeah, see what else do we have but integrity? At which point do you become celebrity? Hit with my signature but I don't write legibly. Allegedly a monster, can you feel the energy? Even though I'm about to change latitudes, never stressing, I take it easy, nigga, with attitude.
Say